Subscribe to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome back. This is lesson 12. In lesson 12 we are going to be looking at styling of a link. All right, starting this anchor tag here. All right, we're going to be looking at styling this. So to start this, we are going to do this using our CSS. If you look at this lesson 12, I've already created this entire HTML body here, and I have my style sheet here that is linked in this section. Okay, the line of code here link it. So I'm just going to open this into our browser and then we see what we have. So this is what we have. The first one saying this is a link to another page, and then this link here telling us a redirect. Okay, we want to know how to style it. Okay, you don't want your link in your web page or in your program looking this kind of a word. All right, like this kind of a way. So we want to style it. We can start this using our CSS, our style sheet. So the first thing we're going to do here is we want to say, okay, we want to come in and say the anchor tag, right? After creating the anchor tag, and the anchor tag, we want to create text decoration. To text decoration, we want to say none. And if I save this, we get back to our browser. We want to observe something here, and if I refresh this, you find out that the little line that we had under this our anchor tag have disappeared. Okay, the line has disappeared. The next thing we want to work with, we want to create background color and see how best we can make this like a button. Okay, we want to make it like a button. So I'm going to come right here and say for background we'll say black, and then for the color, we'll say white. Okay, for padding we will say 14 pixel. Good. And then for border radius, we want to say border radius will be 6 pixel, or we can use 12 pixel besides. Good. And then we save this. So after saving this few line of code that we have here, if I check back to our browser and refresh our browser, this is what we have. Okay, now you see this entire link here have turned to the smooth button that we all can use. All right, that we can use now. I would prefer having our link like this, and then when our link is like this, look more encouraging. All right, it look more helpful. Now we can change the color to blue. We can change the color, our background color, to something like blue. All right, and save it. Now if I come back here and refresh this, this is what we have. All right, this is our link. Now if you notice something here, each time I bring the cursor over here, it changed to a hand. Okay, now let me show you what is causing that. Now we have something here called cursor, right? For the cursor, we can turn it to a pointer. Currently it is a pointer. Okay, let's select reverse. All right, let's select reverse and save it. Now if I come back here and refresh this, if I come here after refreshing it, if I come here to it, now let's check our code. We say cursor, so that'll take loading. We don't have much option here, but we can work if we say none and save it. We'll come back here. I want us to understand something. Good. Now each time I come on this area, we cannot find any pointer. All right, we cannot find any pointer. Now if I come back here and turn this to our default, and then we'll come back here, we come right here and see what we have. Now with the default setting, I can come and refresh it. Now you see our mouse here is just this small arrow. Okay, and now to help change this, we can change our cursor to pointer, and we will understand now pointer. Okay, if we save pointer we come back here, we refresh the browser, and then we'll have this hint. Okay, we can even change it to progress as well. We change it to progress. Now once we hover over it, you'll find out that it will change to the progress sound. Now you see the progress sound have been attached to it. Now it is turning, it is turning, it is turning. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for sticking around. This is for lesson 12 of our HTML and CSS. This is our lesson 12. Okay guys, stick around. Please subscribe to the video. Subscribe. We completed the course HTML already. Now we are doing CSS. Like I said, at the end of the project, we have, at the end of the entire course, we have a very good project coming up that will help you to at least build you up and make you start from somewhere. So guys, see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep us growing as we keep giving you more content. Thank you very much guys. See you guys in the next.
Subscribe to my channel.